All over the internet, people are trying this fad of trying to stain their fence with a sponge. Now, on the surface, it might seem plausible, but is it really? Today, we're breaking down a trending shortcut using a sponge to stain your fence. Look, I get it. Brushing every plank seems to take forever. You want a quicker, cleaner solution without hauling out a big sprayer or spending your entire weekend brushing slats. But here's the thing, using a sponge might feel like it's soaking in well, but this is what's really happening. First off, you're going to get uneven coverage. It's like trying to mop a driveway with a dish sponge. You'll have darker patches where you pressed too hard and lighter areas where you didn't. You're also going to notice wood grain trouble. We know that fence boards have a rough texture. A sponge is not going to glide over the wood. As your sponge starts to disintegrate on you, you'll see that it doesn't quite get into all those little grooves and cracks in the wood. This is the place where water settles, and your damage is going to start if it's left unsealed. You'll need to scrub that stain in. This will use more sponges and give you more of a chance of getting slivers. A second thing is you're going to waste a ton of product. Sponges absorb more stain than they're going to release. It's literally like pouring money into a paper towel. A lot of the stain that ends up soaking into that sponge is just going to drip out of it. This is going to give you sloppy results. Have you ever squeezed a sponge too hard and it left a big blotch? Now imagine hundreds of those over 60 feet of fence. It's frustrating, it's messy, and worst of all, it doesn't look professional. Now perhaps you feel that brushing the stain in, it just takes too much time. I want you to think of it like washing your car. A sponge is a perfect tool for that. But even there, if you don't control the sponge properly, you're going to have a ton of streaks and missed spots. The same is true here, except this time it's your curb appeal on the line. So what should you do instead? Why not invest a few dollars and get a 4 or 5 inch staining brush? These are perfect for fences. Or if you really want speed, rent a sprayer, but back brush it on to make sure that it properly penetrates. That way you get the protection and even color. So skip the sponge. Your fence deserves better. If this helps, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We have more no fluff painting advice coming your way. We'll see you next time.